How to see drafts on Instagram. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, if you have saved drafts on your Instagram, then this is how you view it. For Reels, simply go to your profile and slide to the reel, and there you can see your reel draft available. Tap on it, and here you can view your reel drafts option available. Now, for the post, a photo draft, you can simply tap on the plus icon available there, choose any photo, browse through it, and tap on the share and select the save draft option available. Now, the question is where you can find it. Tap on the plus icon available again on the bottom. Once you tap on the plus icon, you can see drafts option available right next to the recents. Tap on the draft, and here you can see your photo draft option available. Now, once done so here, let's see how we can see the drafts on Instagram story as well. Go back, tap on the add to story option available there. Now here you can see drafts option available at the top left corner. Tap on it and you can view your saved drafts. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.